Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add videos to your YouTube Kids channel. Now let's say YouTube Kids apps actually. Let's say you want to upload videos to your YouTube Kids app for your kid. But here's the bad news, you cannot actually do this directly. Now here's why. You see, YouTube Kids is curated, which means this platform is designed to provide a safe and age-appropriate viewing experience for your child. At the same time, the content is already pre-selected, so videos on YouTube Kids are carefully selected and reviewed to ensure they meet specific guidelines for child friendliness. But if you still want to have a content that your child can watch, you can use a feature called the Approved Content Only feature, which will allow you to select specific channels and videos that you deem appropriate for your child. You can also share videos from YouTube. You can share specific videos from your main YouTube platform with your child's YouTube Kids account. It's as simple as that. But note that always prioritize your child's safety and well-being when you're using YouTube Kids, and also regularly review your child's viewing activity and adjust the settings as needed. I hope this clarifies this question of how to add videos to your YouTube Kids. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.